All right, so opening up the Billet Coin. I'm super excited about this. The packaging's super cool. It's like a nice maroonish color. Let's see. All right. Order. All right, so that's pretty cool. It comes in this little packaging Billet Coin, established 2024, and then it says "Be Connected." So that's pretty cool. Let's open this up. Oh, nice, cool. Okay, so it's not too heavy. That's cool. Oh, that's nice. And then it says Elan Gelfand on the back with the QR code. This is the special QR code that you order. I don't know if you can see, it says my name on the top there, and then billetcoin.com on the bottom. Yeah, this is super cool. Unfortunately I can't. Let me see if I can find a way to scan this. I'm gonna scan this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just scanned this QR code and it is super cool. So one thing that I will say I absolutely love about this as opposed to other methods. So for example, I know, first of all, you have business cards, which is supposed to be beating them, right? But there's also like virtual business cards where I have it on my Apple Wallet where I double tap the power button, and in the same way, if I want to pay in like Apple Cash or if I want to use Apple Pay, it can show up my like digital business card there. But one thing that I love about this is it automatically loads into your contact list. So it has all the information in there. It said my first name Elan, last name Gelfand, then it said my phone number, my email, and the homepage to my website. And all the other person has to do, at least from the iPhone perspective where I see it, is they just click create new contact, add, and that's done. So instead of having to manually type in Elan for first name, then Gelfand, and then everything all at once, it's already loaded in there, which is so good for saving time. One of my least favorite things about, getting somebody's contact information is it feels very forced. It feels very urgent and very, I guess, rushed in a way that like you get their name and while they're talking, you're like, yeah, okay, yeah, sounds good. You're responding to them, and then you're trying to type their information in, and then you're like, okay, let me make sure I got my number right, etc. But with the Billet Coin, it's so nice because you just show somebody, it stays in your wallet, right? But you take it out wherever it's at, and I even have a case on the back of my phone wallet, which I can probably put this in, and then show people whenever I need to. So they scan this super quickly, gets added into their contacts, and this is completely reusable, which I think this is one of the best features about it, as well as the fact that you don't have to throw out the business card and then get new ones and wonder if it works. This is all in one. But yeah, Billet Coin, Be Connected. It's got my name and the QR code on the back. Super, super cool. I can't wait to use this.